Hello, it is Wednesday today, and some of you know that I go to residential homes and sing, and I've just come back, hence the posh dress, and this was a request, this song that I'm about to sing now, and it's such a lovely song and it went down so well, it was amazing. I hope you enjoy this one. It's something different. It's from Mary Poppins. I hope you enjoy it. To the steps of St. Paul's, the old little bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls, "Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is twopence from you. Feed the birds, twopence a bag, twopence, twopence, twopence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, twopence a bag, twopence, twopence, twopence a bag. Feed the birds, twopence a bag.